Hi everyone, welcome to our channel MBC News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Mexican BTS fans go viral as concerts draw near. BTS will perform shows in the Mexican capital on 7, 9 and 10 May, and the more than 135,000 tickets on sale were snapped up in a matter of minutes. Published on 6 May 2026. Dancers bounced to the sound of BTS on an avenue in Mexico City, clapping and screaming at a pep rally, kicking off a string of concerts by the South Korean superstars. And K-pop forever in Mexico is not limited to fans like these young people. Many parents approve to all this passion for the group, which returned to the world spotlight in March following an almost 4-year pause so its members could carry out their obligatory military service. BTS will perform shows in the Mexican capital on 7, 9 and 10 May, and the more than 135,000 tickets on sale were snapped up in a matter of minutes. President Claudia Sheinbaum even tried in vain to arrange more concerts. Jude Piles was among the dancers who showed up on Monday, 4th May on Paseo de la Reforma, a major thoroughfare in Mexico's capital for a BTS promotional event to get fans ready for the concerts. Some kids danced while others put on temporary tattoos as a poster with black and white photos of the seven group members rose between two street posts. Like everyone here, I'm so happy. Palace told AFP we do these types of events to emotionally and psychologically prepare ourselves and to prepare the energy and vibe of the place that makes Mexico different, he said. Mir Sosa, 16, said BTS Mania is a phenomenon in which everyone is free to be who they are. She takes classes in a school called K-pop Dance with around 30 colleagues, most of them women. The students rehearse their choreography before a mirror, even before class starts, and many of them use rest breaks to ask our friends for help to correct their steps. Take it easy. My 22-year-old teacher Gina Montoya said K-pop fever in Mexico goes beyond dance. Some groups meet in cafes with BTS posters to eat noodles. Other fans take language classes in the South Korean Cultural Center. Lucio Campus decided to learn it when his adolescent daughter asked to go to South Korea for her 15th birthday. BTS was born with the idea of transmitting healthy questions for young people, Campus said. Their war cry is let's live life, let's live it healthily, let's live well, and obviously this fascinates me. Campus said the music contrasts with what he called the sexuality of Rington or narco corridors, a popular subgenre in Mexico that celebrates drug trafficking. In a room with banned photos, Lucio points with his finger and named the group members. His daughter Anna corrected him. This is Shane. She said, BTS taught me to love myself, Anna said as she went through the page of an album with photos of the band members and motivational phrases on the back. Shane Baum intervened to help thousands of frustrated fans who were stuck without tickets for the concerts, events that South Korea says have improved its global image. The South Korean government has cited a study carried out in 26 countries that it says showed a favorable opinion of the Asian nation among 82% of those surveyed. Shane Baum asked her foreign minister to write an unusual missive urging South Korean President Lee Jae-myung to see if the K-pop stars could do more concerts in Mexico. Shane Baum sent her counterpart was very open to the request and assured her he had passed the request to BTS production company, but no new dates were announced. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.